Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase screen timeout time in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and type for control panel and just open up control panel from here. Then from here, make sure to select large icon to category, and from here, go to hardware and sound. From here, go to power options, and from here, you need to go to change when the computer sleeps. And from here, you can see and set the timeout whenever you want. You can select the display timeout to whatever you like. I have set it to never. You can set it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. And you can also change the computer sleep time. I have set it to never again. And you can set it to whatever you like. After that, just click on save. And I only have two options. So you're going to have four options. I have a desktop. If you have a laptop, you're going to have four options. This is for like when you're plugged in, and there will be another option for when you're on battery. So select everything however you want and click on save changes. Then just minimize this, and that's basically it. And basically that is how to change screen timeout time on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.